Cottonmouth snake. The cottonmouth snake, also known as the water moccasin, is a venomous pit viper species native to the southeastern United States. Its scientific name is Agkistrodon piscivorus. Here are some key characteristics and information about the cottonmouth snake. Number 1. Appearance. Cottonmouths are relatively large snakes, with adults typically ranging from 2 to 4 feet in length, but some individuals can grow up to 6 feet long. They have a heavy body and a distinctive triangular-shaped head, which is broad and distinct from their neck. Number 2. Coloration. Juvenile cottonmouths are typically lighter in color and have a distinct pattern of dark bands on their bodies. As they mature, their coloration becomes darker, and their pattern may fade, resulting in a more solid, black or dark brown appearance. Some adult individuals may have a faint pattern that is more visible on closer inspection. Number 3. Habitat. As the name suggests, cottonmouths are semi-aquatic snakes that prefer to live near bodies of water, such as swamps, marshes, rivers, lakes, and ponds. They are strong swimmers and are often found in and around the water. Number 4. Behavior. Cottonmouths are generally not aggressive, but they can be territorial and may exhibit defensive behavior if they feel threatened or cornered. When threatened, they may open their mouths wide, displaying their white, cotton-like interior, which is how they get their common name. However, this behavior is not exclusive to the cottonmouth and can also be observed in non-venomous water snakes. Number 5. Venom. Cottonmouths are venomous snakes, and their bites can be dangerous to humans and other animals. Their venom contains a mix of toxins that can cause pain, swelling, tissue damage, and, in severe cases, potentially life-threatening symptoms. If bitten, immediate medical attention is essential. Number 6. Diet. Cottonmouths are opportunistic carnivores and primarily feed on fish, frogs, small mammals, and birds. They are known to be skilled hunters and are capable of consuming prey that is relatively large in proportion to their own body size. Number 7. Conservation status. The cottonmouth snake is listed as a species of least concern by the International Union for Conservation of Nature. However, like many other snake species, they face various threats, including habitat destruction, persecution by humans, and accidental deaths due to road traffic. The cottonmouth snake, like any other species, faces several biological challenges in its environment that can impact its survival and reproduction. Some of the major biological challenges for the cottonmouth snake include: Number 1. Predators. Despite being a venomous snake, the cottonmouth has its share of predators, including large birds of prey, mammals, and other snakes. Juvenile cottonmouths are particularly vulnerable to predation due to their smaller size. Number 2. Habitat loss. The destruction and degradation of wetland habitats, which are essential for the cottonmouth's survival, pose a significant threat to the species. Human activities such as urbanization, agriculture, and waterway alterations can result in the loss of critical breeding and foraging grounds. Number 3. Climate change. As with many other species, climate change can impact the cottonmouth snake's distribution, behavior, and reproductive success. Changes in temperature and precipitation patterns can affect the availability of suitable habitats and alter the timing of key life events such as breeding and hibernation. Number 4. Disease and parasites. Like all living organisms, cottonmouths are susceptible to diseases and parasitic infections. These health challenges can weaken individuals and affect population dynamics. Number 5. Intraspecific competition. Within their own populations, cottonmouth snakes may compete for resources such as food, shelter, and breeding opportunities. This competition can influence individual growth rates and survival. Number 6. Reproduction and offspring survival. Cottonmouths face challenges related to successful reproduction and the survival of their offspring. Factors such as finding suitable mates, avoiding predation while searching for nesting sites, and providing protection to their young can impact their reproductive success. Number 7. Human interactions. While cottonmouths are generally not aggressive, they can be perceived as a threat by humans, leading to intentional killings or relocation efforts. Road mortality is another significant concern, as many snakes, including the cottonmouth, are often killed by vehicles while attempting to cross roads. Number 8. Genetic diversity. Isolated populations of cottonmouth snakes may suffer from reduced genetic diversity, which can make them more susceptible to environmental changes, diseases, and other threats.